Hi there, students. On the face of it, okay, on the face of it, on the surface, at first sight, at first glance, your first impression. So, on the face of it, he seems like a very nice, honest chap, but I don't know him very well. So, as it seems superficially, based on what it is known, okay, so on the face of it, the situation seems to be improving, but the improvement it seems to be fairly slow. Superficially, from the way it looks. So, on the face of it, this looks like a very minor change to the rules. On the face of it, they have charged you a lot of money for what, on the face of it, appear to be very minor improvements. Okay, on the face of it, all three candidates looked like good candidates, so I was going to have to interview them further. On the face of it, what he's proposing seems ridiculous, but well, maybe it'll sound better when I've talked to him. So, on the face of it, without knowing all the relevant facts, on the face of it, this seems to be insignificant. At face value, on the face of it, this he appears to be guilty of this offence. So, prima facie. This is a legal term meaning at first sight or on the face of it, based on first impression. So prima facie, the client looks guilty. On the face of it, the client looks guilty. So when you look at it for the very first time, when without thinking about more about it, this is what you say. Okay, on the face of it, these numbers don't add up. This doesn't seem reasonable. On the face of it, this problem seems very minor from appearances alone, but well, you probably need to find out more about it. On the face of it, the job offer seemed fantastic. Maybe too good to be true. Maybe in fact it wasn't as good as I thought it was. What do you think of my my new plans? Well, on the face of it, they look quite good, but I need to look at it more deeply. At first glance, on the face of it, so it's your initial reaction. It's what you see, as far as can be seen, as far as can be determined without deeper in analysis. On the face of it, the situation seemed hopeless, but appearances can be deceptive. So apparently, is what looked like it was true, based on a very quick look. Okay, so you use this to describe how a situation seems on the surface. So on the face of it, it looks like a bargain, but I bet you there are lots of extra payments that need to be made. On the face of it, the story seems very simple, but in reality, it's very complicated. Okay, so on the face of it, what it looks like. On the face of it, the two offers are very similar. Okay, so on the face of it, it was not a roaring success. On the face of it, it looks very innocuous. On the face of it, it seems obvious. On the face of it, your fears are groundless. Okay, so at first sight, formality, on the face of it, I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality, use absolutely anywhere. And the origin, well, if you look at the face, when you look at someone, you see their face. It's the first thing you see, and you judge them by their face, but you need to get to know them better. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. On the face of it.